Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Fun Travel, where every step is not just about exploration but filled with laughter. Today, we'll walk together through Ireland's most beautiful cities, where there's more than just beer and folk music. Oh no, don't think about shamrocks or leprechauns counting gold, because this journey will surely make you want to book tickets right away. But wait, we won't reveal everything so easily. The cities on this list won't just captivate you with their ancient beauty, but also have surprises that will make your eyes wide. Are you ready to get lost in cobblestone streets, meet locals with ever-ready smiles, and discover enchanting secrets? Hold on tight to the wheel, turn on some folk music, because this adventure to Ireland's top cities will make you unable to sit still. And remember, don't blink, because all the exciting things are about to unfold right now. Number 1, Dublin. And here it is, our first destination, where every street holds an interesting story, and every beer can tell you the history of an entire nation. That's right, welcome to Dublin, the capital of Ireland. But don't rush to think this is just an ancient city, because Dublin is a perfect blend of past and present. Here, you can step out from a centuries-old library at Trinity College and immediately jump into a lively pub in Temple Bar, where traditional music and jokes never end. Dublin is also a paradise for literature lovers. Don't be surprised if you encounter the shadows of James Joyce or Oscar Wilde walking past their famous statues. And of course, how could we forget Dublin Castle? This place has witnessed many historical ups and downs, but today it's left with countless tourists enchanted by photo opportunities. Dublin isn't just a city, it's a colorful symphony between tradition and modernity, between history and vibrant life. A perfect starting point for exploring Ireland. Number 2, Cork. Continuing our journey, we'll arrive at the second city, a place where if Dublin is the cultural center, then this is the culinary heart of Ireland. That's right, get ready for a trip to, no, not revealing yet, but try to imagine yourself walking through vibrant streets, breathing fresh air, and every corner leads to exciting surprises. Here, you won't just admire ancient buildings or bridges spanning across romantic rivers, but also experience a cuisine so rich it might make you gain a few kilos by the end of your trip. This city is famous for its bustling markets, where you can find all kinds of delicacies from fresh seafood to fragrant, freshly baked bread. And of course, how could we skip the vibrant festivals that run day after day? With energetic street music, this is where you'll want to eat, listen to music, and dance right on the street. Not to mention, this city is also the gateway to some of Ireland's most beautiful landscapes, where every sunset will make you sigh because it's just too romantic. Ready? We're about to reveal it all. Number 3, Galway. Next, pack your bags because we're heading to one of Ireland's most romantic and colorful cities. Here, you'll find not just ancient cobblestone streets, but countless street artists performing everywhere. That's right, a place where every turn might lead you to an impromptu, passionate musical performance. Welcome to a city where music is the soul. Now, imagine strolling along the riverside, cool sea breeze blowing, holding a hot cup of coffee, and suddenly, a street band appears, playing folk melodies that make your heart dance. But it's not just about music. This place is also the perfect starting point for outdoor adventures. You can sail out to sea or explore the endless green hills, a paradise for nature lovers. And this is a city that never sleeps. When night falls, the twinkling lights from pubs make the atmosphere even more vibrant. Cozy bars filled with laughter, stories of history and culture told through each pint of beer. It's hard not to fall in love with this place. If you're looking for a place full of color, music, and human warmth, then this city is a must-visit stop on your journey. Let's continue on. Number 4, Limerick. Now, we've explored vibrant and romantic cities, but the next stop will take you back to the pages of a history book full of drama. This city is not only ancient but also embodies the warrior spirit, with tales of kingdoms, castles, and, well, of course, epic battles. Get ready for a journey back to the medieval times. Here, you'll marvel at ancient walls that have withstood the test of time and history's many ups and downs. Especially, the central castle of the city, a massive structure with impressive architecture, will take you back to the era when lords and royalty ruled. But don't just get lost snapping pictures of historical monuments, because this city is also home to bustling markets, cozy eateries, and mysterious stories passed down from locals for hundreds of years. And who knows, while you're enjoying a cold beer at a small pub in this old village, you might just bump into a knight or a countess dressed in splendid costumes. This city is like a giant stage, and you are the main character in this adventurous tale. But that's not all. In this city, every step is a new adventure. Are you ready? Because you won't want to take your eyes off the screen. Number 5, Kilkenny. Next, we're headed to a city full of artistry and creativity, but without the loud and hectic atmosphere. This is the place where you'll want to relax your soul, slowly stroll along the small streets, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of an ancient city. If you're looking for a place to rest after days of adventure, then this is the little paradise for you. This city isn't just beautiful. It has a strange charm. It's like a living painting of the medieval era, with ancient buildings, winding narrow streets, and castles rising in the distance. Every corner, every stone on the road tells you a story from hundreds of years ago. Honestly, you'll feel like you've stepped into a historical novel. But that's not all. This city is also a perfect stop for art lovers. The galleries and art exhibitions here will captivate you, and you'll stumble upon impromptu outdoor concerts or unique sculptures in small squares. This isn't just a city. It's a place where you can forget the hustle and bustle of life and enjoy every serene moment. And most importantly, it will leave you in awe of its picturesque beauty. Get your bags ready, because this place will make you want to stay forever. Number 6, Waterford. Welcome to the 6th stop of our journey. A city where the sea meets the land, where bustling harbors tell the tales of enchanting voyages across the oceans. This is the city of sailors, shimmering lighthouses, and boats swaying gently with the sea breeze. If you're dreaming of a thrilling seaside vacation, then bingo, you found the perfect spot. Stepping into the city, you won't just enjoy endless sandy beaches, but also have the chance to uncover fascinating stories of historic sea journeys. Once a bustling trading hub, the city still retains its old-world charm with ancient ships docked right at the harbor, ready to take you back in time. And when night falls, the city takes on a magical allure. Ships off the coast sparkle under the glow of the lighthouse, while seaside pubs fill with lively music and endless tales. This city isn't just beautiful. It gives you a sense of freedom, like a cool sea breeze blowing with every step you take. Ready? This seaside city is sure to capture your heart at first sight. Number 7, Killarney. And finally, our 7th stop. Are you ready? Imagine a small city, yet irresistibly charming. Here, every corner is a treasure, and the warmth of the locals will make you feel like you've come home, even if it's your first time visiting. This city is like an oil painting with its cute buildings and bright red roofs lining the riverbank. Cobblestone streets lead you to tiny cafes where you can sip on hot tea, take in the surroundings, and, oh, don't forget to snap a few photos because every street corner here looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. But don't let its peacefulness fool you. This city boasts a vibrant and diverse culture. Traditional festivals, folk music concerts, and weekend markets make this place even more colorful. You'll especially want to explore the local market selling everything from handmade crafts to delicious local delicacies. And, of course, you can't miss the sweet-smelling pastries waiting for you to try. If you're looking for a city that embodies the true charm of Ireland, with a touch of romance, nostalgia, and a whole lot of heart, then this is the place you'll want to stay longer than you planned. So there you have it, the last city on our journey, but the emotions will certainly stay with you forever. And so, we've completed our journey through 7 incredible cities of Ireland, from the bustling, vibrant city centers to the peaceful, picturesque small towns. Each place offers its own unique flavor, its own story, and certainly an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a lover of history, art, cuisine, or simply looking for a place to relax your soul, Ireland has a city just for you. Thank you for traveling with us on this colorful adventure. Pack your bags, because Ireland is waiting for you with open arms. See you on the next adventure.